All right, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy MB, ready to do a daily breakdown of the S&P 500 on the futures market. So today is Wednesday, February 28th, 2024, and today was a pretty rough day for me. I just couldn't get a read on the market. Every time I would go long, I would get stopped out. Every time I go short, I would get stopped out. A lot of those trades were for break even, so I didn't lose too much money on the day, down about $1,000, but still, it could have been a lot easier. The zones that I had marked up were still working. It was just really choppy. So let me break it down for you. Yesterday, we had this rally into the supply area. This supply area was previous support. And so we rejected it right at 3 o'clock, so when market closed. And that's the only reason why I didn't take this short here, was because it was after hours. So I just waited till today to see what it did. And so we kind of pulled down a bit. I was thinking maybe we get a bounce, but then we had a sharp sell-off overnight. So we had this supply zone that was created overnight. And whenever we approached that area, we got rejected. So let me go into a 5-minute and break down it even further. So pre-market, this is around 6 in the morning. We had this area where we see some buyers. When we approach it at market open, we can see that it got bought up again. So you could have taken it right off of there if you just wanted to see if it worked. But regardless, the next time we approach this area, that's when your entry was. So right at 69, which was my critical level from yesterday, 67 through 69. So that was plan number one. It was about 15 points to the upside. And then after that, that's when it kind of really got choppy. We hit the supply zone. And whenever we pulled back from here, well, we all thought that it was going to be long. We had this bull flag form. And the level to watch out to make sure that we didn't close below was right here. So when we finally did get that close, it invalidated this bull flag, stopped us all out. But it wasn't 10 points. So from 82 down to 73. Well, I guess it was 10 points. Oh, I'm sorry. No, your entry would have been right here at 81. So 81 down to 74 wasn't a full 10 points because we found this area of interest right here, which brings us into plan number 2. So here we have this wick off of this green candle. So when we approach this area right at this pivot point, it was at 74. I actually called this one out, but I didn't take it because I had already gotten stopped out multiple times before then. So didn't take this play. We pull up, get rejected off at the 9, pull back down. So I really thought I was going to fail. So even the second opportunity to get in, I thought we were just going to be sent to the downside. But we caught some buyers and pulled up another 10 points right into the supply area. So this was plan number 3. And at this point of the day, I was already done trading. So I was just watching, but we did hit the supply area, and we got sent down pretty fast. And I think a lot of the reason for this chop is because we have PCE numbers tomorrow. So big news catalyst event, and so the market was probably just staying range bound, not going too far up, not going too far down in anticipation for that news. But yeah, that was pretty much the last play of the day. We hit this demand area again. I actually did take this long here. But again, my stop was just too tight. I get in right here at 75. No, actually, it was like 74. Get in at 74, stopped literally like right here because I didn't think we'd break below this pivot point. But of course, we break below, wick below it, stops me out, and then we pull up another 7 points. So could have made some money on this trade, but ended up having my stop a little too tight. I need to stop doing that. But regardless, we found some sellers here at 2 o'clock, sell off for a bit. And then every time we approached that area, we got rejected. So this last one, again, this was right at market close, 3 o'clock. And if you're trading futures, you can trade this. I just don't count it as a play of the day because technically the market is closed. But if you look at a 1 minute, we see the rejection here. So we didn't break above this level. So this was a quick 10 points in about 15 minutes. So there was another play to be had, but the markets were really volatile the last 10, 15 minutes of the day. So I don't even bother trading that because, we could shoot up 10 points and you just get your face ripped off. But that was pretty much it. Tomorrow should be back to normal. These last 3 days have been really choppy, although there has been good entries and areas of opportunity. It's just really hard to read, when you're trading it live. It's just a lot of wicks. This is a 15-minute chart, even, yesterday and the day before. It's very, very choppy and it's hard to find entries, but the levels are there. You just have to be disciplined. And today it was just a tough day for me. So like I said, small L today, but we We just got to keep on fighting. So live to trade another day, and I will see you tomorrow. I love you.